Hey guys, today we are back with the Dharmavaram sarees sale video 2. Okay, all these sarees yesterday we have seen 25501 range and 28501 range. So we are seeing again three more ranges. One is 2850, 3550. 3950 and 4950. Okay, all are below 5k. All the sarees are with free shipping. So whichever we have the price range above 3 or 5k. The weaving pattern or the weaving style is of more quality, and the sarees which all I am showing, all the sarees is on the video itself. The initial inauguration itself I am doing on a live sale. So around 5k sarees, it will be original price will be 7000. I am giving it 4950, which is almost equivalent to 5k. Okay, we'll start seeing. I'll tell you the details. So the first range I'm showing is 2850. The one we couldn't show yesterday because of the timing in the video. So this is 2850 range. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. It is in the purple pink color with the violet color border. With the violet color pallu we have given with the golden weaving pallu. The price of this is 2850. The label is 6. When you are booking, you can book under label number 6. In label number 6, this is the first video. This is the pallu you will be getting in the violet border. So the blouse is in the purple violet color. Okay, the price of this is just 2850. Original price will be 5000 around, but inauguration sale I am giving at 2850 only. So yeah, this is the buttas you will be having unpatko. In the border you will be having the elephant design, the rich elephant design. You can see on the back side it is full zari weaving in the back. Okay, so yeah. This is the peach pink with the golden border, and this is the blouse you will be getting. Nice rich elephant color, elephant design you will be having for the border. So okay, this is how it looks. Purple pink blouse and the peach red shade saree in the body color. So this is the pallu you will be getting. Yeah, this is the pallu you will be getting in the violet color design. Okay, this is saree number 1. This is how it looks. The price of this is 2850. Okay, next saree. Colors చూసుకునేవు. Next is in the golden shade violet color. Golden violet shade color you will be getting with the purple combination. Yeah, for every saree I'll just come a bit 2 steps forward to show you how it is. So in this 6 label, all the sarees are with the elephant border. You can see it is in the elephant border. So this is how it looks. All over the saree you will be having the flower and the mango design all over. So this is how it looks. This is purple with the violet color combination. This is a rare combination. So this is the blouse. This is how it looks. Okay, this is in the brinjal color. This is in the brinjal color. The border is in the purple color. So the blouse is again in the dark violet color. Okay, this is brinjal blue with the golden shade over the body with the purple pink color. Okay, so this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. It gives you a very rich and a royal look as well. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the purple with the golden shade, golden zari all over. So the shine of the cloth will have both purple as well as the golden shade. So that is a cross weaving pattern. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is the final look of the saree. Brinjal with the purple color combination. Price is 2850. Almost you are getting it at a half price. The original price of this sarees will be around 5000. Okay, the next one in label 6, it is a purple pink. It is purple pink purple pink with the purple pink color all over with the golden zari. Okay, this is how it looks. I'll show you how it is with the border. So this is in the so this is in the purple pink color with the elephant design. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice big border on the bottom you will be getting. So the bright pink blouse for this you will be getting. So yeah, see how rich and royal it is. It is in the purple pink with the Rani pink color combination. So these combinations are pretty not in the contrast, but which sits in the same label with the contrast, self contrast color combinations. But go. Yeah, this is how it looks. Purple pink with the Rani, okay, purple pink with the Rani pink color combination with the big elephant border. This elephant border is the rich thing in these sarees. And the blouse kuda chubida. Patko, blouse patko adli. Patko blouse. Mundu iskra. So this is the blouse with the self weaving, self design on the blouse with the nice golden zari patta. Kanpichindi వాళ్ళకి. Okay, so the pattu, the silk pattu cloth is also, it's very soft and very easy to drape. Okay, this is sari number 3 in label number 6. Yeah, this is how it looks when you drape it. Okay, yeah, so these are very nice quality sari. The price of this sari is also 2850. So the pallu is again in the pink with the golden color contrast. So this is the pallu you will be getting, purple pink with the red color combination. So this is how it looks. Yeah. Next is in green.
Bottle green.
This is in the bottle green with the Rani pink color combination. So it is the same design again with the elephant border. For you to know the color, I am showing it near a closer or a zoom look. So this is also label number 6. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, the pallu is in the red color. Yeah, the pallu is in the red color flower design. Amen. The pallu is in the red color design. Blouse is again in the pink color contrast, Rani pink color contrast blouse you will be getting. So the complete sari is in bottle, actually it's not dark bottle green, it's a mix of emerald green and the bottle green color combination. So this is the blouse you will be getting, dark emerald green with the Rani pink color combination. Okay, the price of this is also 2850. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Okay, next sari. The last sari in label 6, which are priced at 2850. Same blue is it?
Krishna blue.
Anand Krishna blue.
Okay, Rama.
2 colors now. This is in the Krishna blue color. I think this blues we haven't seen. Blues we have very less. Okay, this is in the Krishna blue with the green color tinge. Okay, this is in the blue and green color combination with the contrast pink blouse. This is also a very royal color. This is the combination. Krishna blue with the Rani pink color combination. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the color and this is the zari weaving you will be getting. Okay, I'm just showing you. So this is emerald green with the Rani pink color combination. So this is the blouse and this is the sari and this is the border you will be getting. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 2850. Label 6 we are done. In label 6 all are priced at 2850. Okay, the original prices will be around 4 to 5k, but as it is a promotional or year end, so we have cut down the price to almost 40 to 50%. Okay, The price of all those which you have seen is 2850. We are seeing now label number 7. Okay, label number 7. 7 maybe. Label number 7. These are priced at 3550. Okay. The weaving, the quality, what is the difference if you ask me between the other label sarees and this? For every label saree, if the price increasing, the quality of weaving or the thread count or the thread they are using, everything differs. Okay, that is the reason why the price is more. So this is label 7, saree number 1. Okay, label 7, saree number 1. This is in the violet, brinjal or violet color combination. So this is so this is the border you will be getting for all the sarees in label number 7. So this is a big zari border. In between you have a 4 inches mango design zari weaving in the middle of gold zari. So this comes all over, full all over zari with the small design. These are very good for bridal kind of wear or that marriage functions. They look very elegant because all the saree without any gap, full zari weaving you have. So on the other side also you have the zari weaving. So this is the blouse you will be getting. Again it is like the same color with the contrast color, same monochrome with the contrast color for the blouse. The blouse is this is the blouse. This is the dark purple pink with the same border as that of you have got for the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 3550. Okay, this is okay. The pallu. So this is the pallu you will be getting. For all you will be having almost a similar kind of pallu. So this is the pallu design you will be having in the golden zari. And this is the first saree in label number 7. All the sarees in label number 7 are for 3550. Yes. Yeah. This is how it looks. So this is the final look, how it looks for the saree. Okay. Next saree. Violet or the purple color we have already seen. So this is in the next color. This is in completely a gold shine design with the light purple pink background. This is the background color. So this is the background color in the light purple pink. Full complete zari weaving and the cross weaving golden shade you have got. On single pleat also this looks very good because it has a big border. The blouse you will be getting it in the Rani pink for this. So the price of this is 3550. This is how it is. Purple pink with full gold zari all over. So okay. So this is the purple pink, very unique style of blouse you have got. Whichever shine you have on the saree, that contrast deep color blouse you have got. So yes, this is how it looks. Patko koncham blouse. Meeda pet shoulder pine. So this is the blouse and this is the saree. This is how it looks. Full zari weaving, rich color. So this is purple pink with the dark pink color blouse. So I'll show you the rear view. This is completely equivalent to a bridal saree. You can see it when we try in the bridal showrooms for the pattu sarees. You have got the similar kind of or the same kind of look. Yeah. Yeah, this is how it looks. The price of this is 3550. Next. So this is in the parrot green or the bright green color. this is in the parrot green or the bright green color. It is in the same border, same big borders. So all the sarees under label number 7 all comes under same border and same body design you have got. Okay, yeah. Pattu sarees are meant to definitely drape nicely. Yeah, if you drape nicely and put, it will look very good. So you would have not seen definitely this kind of contrast blouses in any like Kanjivaram, because I myself did not see. So the blouse, if you see, it has a cross weaving pattern with the green and the pink shades. So it is a completely contrast to that of the saree, and also it matches. So yeah, this is how it looks. Patkune unde. This is bright green color with Kalneta color blouse. So you can have a close view for the saree and for the border color. And this is a rear view. So this is how it looks in the bright green color combination. So this is also for 3550. Pallu, it is same for all. So this is the pallu. So this is how it looks, pallu. Okay, next. Next is people's favorite orange and pink color combination. Orange pink with the green highlights they are given. I told you in yesterday's live about the small border. This makes a lot of difference for the sarees. You can see anywhere in Pinterest or something. This small border for the sarees or for the brides, if you see, it really makes a lot of difference. It adds more beauty to the saree, because that small lining, that half an inch line will be there all over the saree. So yeah, this is orange with the pink color combination. This is the orange with the pink color combination. This is how it looks. These are very soft. These are little heavy because of the full zari all over. So but this suits completely for function wear. Pattu saree is definitely for function wear or for upcoming festivals, Sankranti and all. So this is the golden orange, golden or gold spot orange color with dark pink color combination. Threads. So yeah, this is how it looks. Pink, gold spot orange color with the pink color combination. Okay, next. Pink color. So last saree we are seeing in label number 7. This is Kalneta blue. Blue or green?
Blue and green.
This is a Kalneta blue color, but if you see in live, it is showing as green as well. So it is a mix of blue and green. Okay, this is also very pretty combination. The pallu is in the red color. Blouse is again in the dark pinkish red color. So yeah, this is the pallu you will be getting for this. So we'll see. Yeah, this is in the blue. This is in the blue and pink color combination. This is a very pretty color combination, blue with the pink. This blue has got a golden shade with the that pattu look, blue with the golden shade, so that it has that bluish green color combination. So all these are Kalneta weavings. It is weaved with two colors, green and pink with the golden zari. So that is the reason why these are all like Kalneta, which gives a dual shade when you wear it. So this is how it looks, blue with the pink color combination. Just a closer view for you. So this is a dark pink blouse. So all these blouses matches with this border color. So that is how where the sync or that match happens. So yeah, this is how it looks, blue with the dark pink color combination. So this is the pallu, I've already shown. So yeah, this is how it looks.
I think.
Okay, with this we are done with label number 7. Now we'll start with label number 8. Label number 8 is also of same price. All are for 3550. Okay. That. So this is, now I'm starting with label number 8. 8. All the sarees are for 3550. In each label we have 5 sarees. So which are of same design or the similar design. So this is label number 8. This is bright orange with the purple color combination. You are having elephant with peacock design. They have upgraded one design. Okay. So this is the border you will be getting. Elephant and the peacock design you will be getting all over. With the pink color, this lining they have given. And the pallu is in the violet color. Violet color zari. So you are getting the violet color blouse. So this is a completely contrast. Bright orange with the violet blue blouse. Yeah, this is how it is. No, yeah, this is how it is. So the blouse is also in a different color combination. So it is completely a contrast wear when you wear it. So this is in the bright orange. Okay. This is in the bright orange with the violet blue color combination. So this is how it looks. So just to give you a closer view, bright orange with the elephant and peacock border, and this is the blouse. Okay, so this is how it looks. Bright orange color with full golden weaving with the violet blue color blouse. The price of this is 3550. Next saree. Next is in the bottle green. This is really bottle green. This is bottle green hai kada? So bottle green with the pink color combination. So the same. So this is the border you will be getting with the purple gold shade. You can see. Not because of the light it is shining. Normally if I see also it is shining. Okay. So the blouse and TV. Bottle green with the pinkish red color combination we have got. Yeah. This is how it looks. So this is the So this is the pink color you will be getting for the blouse. So the body is in completely monochrome color, that is bottle green with the golden zari weaving. This is the complete contrast Rani pink or the dark pink color blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. So you can have a closer view. This is the pallu, sorry, this is the border, body, and this is the blouse. Okay, this is how it looks. Bottle green with the bright pink blouse. So the pallu you will be getting it in the contrast color. It is in the red with the zari weaving. Okay. Okay, 1 minute it's just done. So this is how it looks. The pallu. Okay. Next.
Okay. Wait.
Violet. This is again in the violet and the dark pink color combination. I'll show you the butta which is on the sari. So this is the leaf butta and the peacock butta. Peacock butta and the leaf butta you will be having all over the sari. And in the border you will be having the same peacock color, peacock motifs you will be having. Okay. So that is the blouse. Violet color sari with the dark pink or magenta pink it is actually. So this is the original color whatever you are saying. So this is with the magenta pink. So in label number 8 kada,
8.
in label 8 all are like monochrome sarees, self zari weaving. This is violet color with the purple color blouse. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is under label 8. The price of all this is 3550. Please do listen, at least when you are buying a sari, if you like the sari, of course, just need not see the whole video, just move it 30 seconds before, so you'll be understanding what is the price, what is the description and all, other than asking the question, because I'm getting bombarded with thousands of messages every day. It is very difficult to answer. Please kindly understand. Okay, this is the pallu, very rich pallu you'll be getting for this. So the violet color sari, yeah, on single pleat it is very good because you are having big buttas. So this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. Okay, the price of this is 3550. Next, and the green are
Gold.
golden green. Alage undi. So the next saree, again the buttas, it is the same buttas, the leaf and the peacock buttas. In the border you are having the elephant and the peacock border. This is in the golden green color. Original. It is gold weaving. Yeah, at the end, this is the color given. So on this you will be doing this gold weaving. See how the shine has changed. I am just showing you a sample. I think on the maggam when they cut, so this is the extra piece that is left over after weaving. I'll show you the difference. So this is what we are seeing now. This is like original, the leftover piece. So the original cloth itself, it shines, if you can see. The green, a kind of mud green with the golden shine. So on weaving we get this. You find the difference now. So this, okay, so that is not a blouse piece, I'm just telling. So it is in the golden green color with the violet color blouse. The blouse is awesome. Once again, so this is the blouse. It's again a completely contrast color blouse you will be getting. Golden green all over the saree with the violet blouse. So they have given this highlighting pinch notes at the last. So this is the blouse you will be getting. So this is the saree. Okay, this is golden green. The pallu is a bit different. Pallu we have got 2 liners, bottom and above. You have got the flower designs with the golden shine. So this is how it looks. In label 8 we are left with one more saree. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, I'll come before. Golden green, self weaving, golden green. So this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. Okay, the price of this is again 3550. Next is blue monochrome. This is really very good. I like it. This is blue color saree. Next చూస్తారులే. As I told before, for this is a leftover piece. On this they have weaved this with full gold zari weaving. Okay, you can see. Yeah. You have got the attached blouse to the pallu with the partition. You can cut it or you can put it, not an issue. Yeah, this is full monochrome blue color with the gold zari weaving. Yeah, this is how it looks. Full blue color with the golden blouse bit. Blouse is in the dark pink or the magenta pink color combination. So blue and pink, definitely it is a very hit combination. So this is how it looks. Okay, కొంచెం షోల్డర్ పైకి పెట్టు. Yeah, on the bike పెట్టేసి పడదప్పుడు. So yeah, this is how it looks. Blue color with the magenta pink color combination blouse, full blue monochrome color. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the final look. The price of this is also 3550. With this we are done with label number 8. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting in the reddish pink golden zari weaving. So on single pleat it looks like this. Okay, this one. With this we are done with label number 8. In label 8 all the sarees are for 3550. Now it is label number 9, my most favorite, and in the Dharmavaram saree itself, I'm waiting. So yeah, this is the one which print I found it very nice, and it's very much close to that new trending designs of similar to Kanjivaram. So these are the sarees. So these are all full cross weaving patterns. So this is a nice mint green actually. This is nice mint green with the golden shiny golden cross weaving pattern. So Kalneta green it is. So this is the butta you will be having for all the sarees under label number 9. Okay, this is the butta. I'll show you. I really liked it, all the ones in the label number 9. So this is the big border you will be getting for these sarees with nice leaf design. All the saree colors are very pretty, and these are like English colors. Okay, I really personally liked it. So it gives a very royal look. Okay, and it is also very trendy. What I felt is అలా వచ్చింది ఎలా వచ్చింది ఇటు కదా రావాలి
హెడ్లో ఉంచారండి అటు కూడా ఉంది
అది పళ్ళు
రివర్స్లో
అది ఇది బ్రో ఏం చెప్తారో చివరి ఎండింగ్ అది ఇదే బ్లౌజ్ కదా బ్లౌజ్ 80 centimeters కదా both they can use. I think the blouse is more than 1 meter. So this is the blouse రెండు ఒకటే కదా ఇది ఈజీ కదా పెట్టడం. So this is the shiny, you can see this is a monochrome color. One second window. The blouse itself is like this, full shimmery, or the tissue, but it is not tissue. It is not tissue. It doesn't make that tissue sound. So patko shoulder pan better. So this is the blouse you will be getting for this sarees. Okay. So this mint green with the pink color combination. Yeah, mint green with the pink color combination. So this is the blouse you will be getting. This is the border. The price of this is 3950. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks. Blouse చూపించేసాను కదా. So I will show you the pallu. Pallu is also again very rich. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu design you will be having. Okay. This is the pallu you will be getting. The border and the contrast for the body color, that has got more beauty. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is just 3950 only. Okay, this is how it looks on single plate. Okay, you can see the shiny mint green with the pink color. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, 3950. We'll see the next color in label number 9. So the next color is pretty peach color, peach pink. Yeah, the peach, easy matter easy. The pretty peach pink color with the purple blue or the violet blue color combination. It's violet blue. Pink with violet is an awesome combination, and I'm repeating. These only I have single pieces. Please, whoever wants to book, please take a screenshot immediately and message me. Okay. So this is in the baby pink or the peach pink color with the violet color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. How pretty it is. I really loved this color. And there is one more color I liked, and this is the first one, of course. Okay, this is in the pretty pink with the violet blue color combination. See the blouse. I want to show you the blouse detailings. Definitely I'll show. This is a unique contrast I have seen. So the blouse, it suits like, the blouse suits like very beautiful, and blouse suits like crazy, but it is not in the contrast color, or it is not in the monochrome color. It is in the tissue with the golden self zari. See how beautiful it is, and the buttas on the blouse. Oh my god, I feel it's very pretty. I'll show you the blouse. So this is the blouse you'll be getting. So this is the blouse which I'm telling. So this is the same big border. You can get up to here. The body of the blouse, the body for the blouse. So this part, all it looks in this shiny violet with the golden self zari. This is the blouse. So it's very good. Once you stitch the blouse, you'll feel how it is. Okay, the pallu. This is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay, so I'll show you the final look of the saree. Peach pink with the violet blue color combination. It's very royal, and you are getting it price just 3950 only. You'll get a free shipping as well. So this is how it looks. Peach pink with the golden weaving, golden self shine you'll be getting all over. Golden shine design with the violet blue color border. So yes, this is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is 3950. Next color. Again green. This is parrot green. Parrot green with pink. Is a bridal saree, right? You can try any of the brides. You can try this design for the bridal saree, or for any muhurtam, muhurtam puja or anything. The design itself, the design itself is very unique, and it is in the green and the pink color combination, bro. Green with the Rani pink color combination. Parrot green with the Rani pink color combination, and it is again a tissue style, but it's not tissue. Don't think it is a tissue blouse. It is with the shiny pink golden tissue blouse. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Very big border in the Rani pink color. So this is green. This is green with the pink color combination. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks. Rani pink, parrot pink with the green color. Water, mama. No water. Parrot green with the pink color combination. Okay, this is how it looks. Yeah, how crazy. Well, like how beautiful it is. I can't take my eyes off. Yeah, this is how it looks. The pallu. I'll show you the pallu. It stands on, so it's not falling. So this is the pallu you'll be getting, similar to that of that. White, green. So yeah, this is how it looks live. Parrot green with the pink color combination. Okay, next. ఎట్లయినా పర్లేదు, ఇది సారీస్ తీస్తున్నాను. So again, this is a very subtle and it's a very royal color combination. How to tell you? Some brides do wear for reception kind of sarees. Cream or the beige with the golden shade with the Rani pink color combination. Yes, this is how it is. I know it's very pretty. Even I can't take my eyes off. Cream with the Rani pink color combination. I'll show the blouse. 39 minutes. Okay. So this is the blouse again. So this is the border. So it goes on the back. Too much of border. So that is the blouse you will be getting. Okay, this is the sari, cream or the beige color with the Rani pink color combination. Okay, this is how it is. This is beige or Rani pink color. ఇప్పుడు కట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాడు ఏంటి? Okay, beige with the Rani pink color combination. Okay, this is how it is. Okay. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay, this is how it is on single pleat also. It looks very awesome. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, beige with the pink color combination. Yeah, this is how it is. It's very very pretty. Yeah, these are the nearby detailings you can see. This is the body of the sari. This is the texture of the sari. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it looks, the final look of the sari. Okay, the price is 3950 only, which are all under label number 9. This is again in the same white or beige color combination with the violet color. Violet కాదు ఇది, purple.
నారీ ఫ్యాషన్ స్పాన్సర్ చేసేటివేనా
చేసేయండి.
యాడ్ అవ్వలేదు ఇంకా
అయింది 34 అది
24480
నెక్స్ట్ పెట్టాను చూడు 34,000. Okay, so this is in the beige with the purple color combination. This is the last one in the label number 9. So this all goes very good with the white color jewelry, a bridal kind of saree. Yeah, this is how it is. Yeah, the white or the beige color with the back side golden shade or the golden shine. This shine, it is original shine only, not because of lighting, with the purple color border. Blouse, the blouse is in the purple golden tissue again. So this is the blouse. So this is in the purple with the golden shade blouse. So this is how it looks. Pallu. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu design you will be getting. Okay. Yeah, this is the last one in label number 9. Yeah, label number 9 we have seen 5 colors in the similar kind of design and in the same fashion. Whoever wants to book of their choice, they can book. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is 3950. Okay. On single pleat it looks like this. It comes with a very big border also, so you can wear it on single pleat also. It looks very beautiful. Yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, this is label number 9. So we are done with label number 9. We are left with only 4 sarees which comes under label number 10. Okay, just give me a minute.
కలర్స్ అందుతుంది హ్యాండ్స్ ఫింగర్స్.
Okay, next we are left with label number 10 which is we are having 4 sarees in label number 10. The price of all these sarees under label number 10 are 4950. Okay, 4950. So these are the sarees. All these sarees are of premium quality. I mean, like why the price has hiked for almost 1,000 rupees is the thread they use for the weaving and the cloth they put for the base, everything differs. So that is a range. That's why we see in Kanjivaram silk sarees also the price keeps on hiking for 20-30. The quality of weaving and the zari they use and the quality, everything differs. The quality of weaving differs. So this is first saree in label number 10. All these sarees are for 4950. Okay, the original price of this will be 7,000 to 8,000. So but I'm just giving it 4950 only. This is the plain orange color saree with self weaving design all over the saree you will be getting. This is the border. This is the border you will be getting, a big border. This is how it looks. A simple self weaving body with the two sides border. So this is the blouse. This is the blouse you will be getting. Not very simple though, but a kind of simple sari with the two sides golden zari weaving and two sides border you will be having with the dark rani pink blouse with this border. So the price of this is 4950. Badle? Pallu. This is the pallu you will be getting. Okay. This is the pallu you will be getting here. Okay, on single pleat it looks like this. So the look of the sari doesn't depend on the price. Both differs. A simple sari can price around 10 to 20k with nothing on it. So just because if you think the before ones are a full golden zari weaving and this is not, why it is priced so, only the weaving, the cloth and the quality and the way of weaving, everything differs. So yeah, this is for 4950. This is how it looks. A simple golden orange or golden mustard color with pink, contrast pink. Okay, this is how it is. The price of this is 4950. Yeah. Okay, next saree. So in this label number 10, in this price range, we have got different designs of sarees. There is no pattern that it follows. Every saree design is different and the border is different and the weaving style is also different. So this is hot rani pink color combination. Somewhere some people can identify when I show the sarees itself. By seeing in the video itself, you can find the difference in the quality. Only some people who are like, who have got good knowledge on shopping and all. So yeah, this is bright rani pink color with the green color combination. The cloth itself is also not like very heavy. It's very soft. It's very soft with and it's easily drapeable. Okay, and it stands on the body. The dark rani pink with the green color combination. Nice rich green color blouse you will be getting for this. Okay, patko chura. So this is how it looks. Okay, nice very traditional color. This is dark this is dark pink with the green color combination. Okay, this is also very simple with the mango butta, with the mango butta all over the sari, and the border for the sari you'll get like this. It's a kind of simple sari with not too much of hangama. This is the pallu you'll be getting. White chupinch, grey. So yeah, this is how it looks. Somebody has asked me yesterday for the red sari. If it is your pick, you can pick this. This is almost like dark red, which is dark pink, which is almost equivalent to a red shade with the green color combination. Yeah, this is how it looks. Dark pink with the green color combination. The cloth is also very soft, and than other sarees, if you ask about the price point, the handling is very smooth and tender. Next, it is, I think, the unique color combination in all the collections that we have seen today. This is in the grey with little of a violet tinge for that shine probably. So this is how it is. The cloth is also very thin and very soft to handle. You can see it is flowy. So yeah, this is how it is. Grey with magenta pink, or yeah, it's magenta pink only. It's magenta pink color border. Blouse. That is the blouse you will be getting for this. Dark pink or dark magenta color shade blouse you will be getting. So this is how it looks. So the price of this is also 3950. Sorry, 4950. So this all falls under label number 10. Okay, this is how it is. So this is the grey color saree, greyish white actually. It's not complete grey. If you see on this grey saree, the thread weaving is with the kind of brown with magenta color. So that is the reason why we have got that color tinge with the contrast color. I'll show you the blouse. So I'll show you the pallu. So this is the pallu. The body of the sari maintains that simplicity all over. So this is the pallu you'll be getting. Yeah. This is the pallu you'll be getting. Okay. Yeah, I want to show you now only. So in the pallu you have got this shade. This doesn't mean it is a damage. Okay, I'm just telling you in beforehand itself. Okay. So this is how it looks on the single pleat. So this is the pallu. Blouse already చూపించాం కదా. Okay. So yeah, this is how it looks. A simple and elegant grayish white shade saree with magenta pink color combination. The price of this is also 4950. The last one for today's show. Gandham color color, sandal color. Next one is also a unique color combination. Sandal color with the magenta pink combination. So this is the one. Okay. Sandal pink ajata. Sandal pink. Sorry. Sandal yellow color with the magenta pink color combination. So this is the last saree in label number 10. The price of this is also 4950. Okay. Okay, this is how it is. The magenta pink color blouse you'll be getting. It's a very simple dark pink blouse. These are like very simple sarees, but the cost point it is more, as I told, because it is of weaving, the cloth quality and everything. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay. Blouse, pallu. This is the pallu. Pallu you'll be getting. So for this also, if you see, it is like this, the dual color in the pallu. So with this we are ending our live. So this is the last one. Dark sandal color, or yeah, దీన్ని ఏదో అంటారు ఈ కలర్ని, ఇంకేదో రావట్లేదు. ఓకే, మస్టర్డ్ షేడ్లోనే డార్క్ శాండల్ కలర్. ఓకే, this is dark sandal color with the magenta pink color combination. Yeah, this is the exact color if you want to see. Okay, with this we are ending the Dharmavaram sarees live video number 2. Whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can message me. And yeah, all these sarees, the price which you are getting, it is almost 30 to 40% off price you are getting. The price 5,000 range sarees, original price would be some 9,000 or 8,500. Okay, but at this price you are getting just for a promotional. First time I'm introducing these sarees and I want people's support and encouragement. So yeah, thank you so much and see you soon. Stay safe at home. Thank you.